Now, do you do them both at the same time, or no?
If I had another person here, we could, but...
And you won't let anybody else do it?
No.
I'd be too afraid.
It'll go so quick that it'll be over.
Hey, sweetie, you gonna put it out on your ear?
Are we gonna jump?
Hey, sweetie.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's okay, Kylie.
Okay.
Look here.
What's happened? What happened?
I don't like being held down.
Can I get that one too?
Hey,
You're okay.
hey.
What?
Let me redo that.
People walking by are like, that poor baby. She's going to be tortured and her mom's videotaping.
What's wrong? What? Where are you going? Where are you going? Look. Want to hold my teddy bear?
Huh?
Want to hold my teddy bear? Looky there. Aww. You gonna give the bear some loving? Yeah. Okay, Mom's gonna look even.